Now, a shell is a user interface for access to an operating system's services. So, in other words, if the user wants the operating system to do something, they will then use a shell for this purpose. It's a command language interpreter that executes commands read from input devices such as keyboards or even from files. So, in general, operating system shells use either a command line interface, CLI, or graphical user interface, GUI. Command line shells called terminal in Linux and Mac OS or command prompt in Windows. Graphical shells provide means for manipulating programs based on graphical user interface, or GUI, by allowing for operations such as opening and closing, moving, resizing windows, as well as switching focus between windows. Now, it's named a shell because it's the outermost layer around the operating system kernel. The kernel is a computer program that is the core of a computer's operating system, with complete control over everything in the system. So it'll manage the following resources of the Linux system: file management, process management, input-output management, memory management, device management, etc., etc. Now, there are several shells for Linux, such as TCSH, KSH, and ZSH. But one of the more common ones is Bash, where the name is an actual acronym for Born Again Shell. So each shell does the same job, but it understands different commands and provides different built-in functions.